Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I'm bringing you my week 15 of Project Life spread. And I actually did this a couple of weeks ago. I've just only got round to doing the voiceover, but for this I'm using my Citrus Twist April kit. And it's quite busy spread, this one. I have two groups of photos that are actually 4 photos printed onto one 4x6, and for this I just use the Becky Higgins Project Life app to make those. I do sometimes use PicFrame as well, especially if I want a little white border separating them, but for the Becky Higgins one you don't have the white border, so it just groups them all together, which is what I wanted in this case. So I'm not adding too much embellishment. It's quite a short video, this one, though a lot of it is spent me messing about with everything. And I've pulled in just some of the plain sort of wood grain effect paper at the bottom, and that's what I'm going to use just to pop the ticket from when we went to see Jason Manford. And the pictures from the right are a few pictures we did take just before the second part sort of got started, because otherwise we'd have just been annoying everybody around us. And to be honest, they're not great photos, which is why I've sort of grouped the 4. This is just to prove we were here. The show was very good though, even if I haven't got the pictures to show it. And I've already pre-done my journaling. So the other main thing this week is my daughter picked up some shoes that she got designed with the supernatural theme, and she absolutely loved those. So I have sort of a grouping of the pictures for those. And then my eldest had her teeth whitened, but you know, that's sort of the highlight of our week. That and another daughter dyed her hair blue or partly blue. So I didn't have many pictures from this week, even though I had grouped quite a few together, which is why the sort of top and the bottom sort of take the same sort of theme. But I am going to create a few little clusters. I do like to have something in the middle when I do a grouping of 4, just to sort of break up that picture combination. So I've got a little cork heart that says best on the bottom, and then up the top at the moment I just have a little leatherette sticker saying it's all good, and I will add a couple more hearts on there. But what I'm trying to do at the moment is I'm sort of trying to spread out the colours a little bit. So I do have the teal stripe across the bottom, and then I do have the little leatherette sticker above my journaling, and I'm just trying to make sure that I get another spot with the teal in. At the moment it's on my week card, but that will move. And then I do bring in a grouping of flowers into this bottom corner, which also brings in a spot of yellow. So I do want to make sure that I sort of spread that yellowy colour about as well, just so that I have a nice even amount. So I'm going to pop a little yellow one at the top, and then I will end up moving the one off the week card up to the top as well. But that's pretty much how this spread's going to look. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but sometimes that's just the way they turn out. I forgot to lift this one up to show you all close, but I will have some pictures so that you can see some of the finer details. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.